the record. Just a second, I'm freaking it out. Cause I'm watching trying to touch it, I was peeping it out. She turned around and was trying to put my dick in the mouth. I let her.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate sandwich. So to make the chocolate sandwich recipe, we are going to take a bread slice and spread some butter. Now I'm going to spread some chocolate pieces. I'm going to take some dairy milk chocolate, but you can even take dark chocolate or even compound chocolates also. Now I'm going to take a mixture of dry fruits. Here I'm going to take some raisins and some cashew nuts and even some almonds. Now I'm going to take a slice of cheese and keep it over the slice. I'm going to take some more pieces of chocolate and I'm going to place it over the cheese slice. Some more mixture of dry fruits. Cover it with another bread slice and I'm going to keep it in a sandwich toaster. And now the yummy chocolate sandwich is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and even subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.